got?
Yeah, it's a nice carpet, but it was really cheap. 600 peso.
No, but this is discounted.
Oh, that's discounted.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's because they don't have that many left, huh? So maybe we have to hurry if we need one more.
Here? Nah?
Yeah, straight down, because you don't leave any room for anything on that side.
So after this we go? No.
Cannot go with you here by herself.
Yes, she will stand in front. What's in Bolivar?
It's gonna. Have you seen the sky? It's like 70% chance of rain now.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Wow!
Very nice.
Let's try it out. See.
Let's go. Bring it after. Very nice. Wow. And bring the nail. We nail it. Small nails.
Okay. You don't want to turn around so the red part is towards the...
No, because this is open. I don't want to, it will break like this.
We should have cut off the red part.
No need. Let's stop. Yeah, we'll try. Oh. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's okay also. Okay.
I'll get the hammer and nails then.
Yeah, that's small nails, huh?
Yeah.